Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So on today's video, I have my brother here.
Guys, my name is Dubi.
So we're going to be braiding Dubi's hair today, and this video is going to be focused on hairstyles for men. So we're going to be going with something very simple. Our style inspo for today is Viction. Let's get into it. Basically, the first thing we're going to do is wet his hair, which we've already done, and also add a little bit of this to make it easier to handle. And then comb his hair. This is the painful part, and this part I like the most. Why not screaming? Can you even hear me?
What you say?
Oh, you're listening to music.
I swear, it takes the pain away.
It's the truth, the government never cared what we living through. We screaming out black lives, but they yelling blue. So the police start looking like the soldiers do. That's some crazy shit. Country being run by an idiot. But the only other candidates are a pedophile and a hero who ain't fit for being president. Like in any way, I need good news, shit's weighing on me.
After combing and detangling as much as possible, I start sectioning the hair. So I section it first into two sides.
With my edge control, because his hair is not that long, so it helps me hold it together.
I need some soul food, yeah. I just wanna smile.
So after applying the edge control to the first line, I go in again and make the line straighter and neater.
Good news, yeah. I need soul food, yeah.
So there are two sections, the left and the right side. So we're starting out with the right side. It's going to have 3 braids on the right side and 3 braids on the left side. So I sectioned out the first braid and now we're ripping it.
All they ever see is a black nigga. Ain't nobody care about the other shit. Just graduated USC. Next week might see my eulogy on News Channel 6. Nothing's guaranteed in this cold world. They gon' do everything they can do just to make sure that they silence you. Fuck it, I'll speak my true thing, too valuable. Look, yeah, I feel like
So now we're sectioning the second braid on the right hand side.
it's been weighing on me and I need an ally. How does something like this make somebody hate it? So we won't.
So every time I section out a portion to braid, I always go in with my hair straightener, the pink cream that I use most of the time. That makes my hair very easy to manage, and at the same time it prevents breakage of the hair. So I do that every time because you may have applied some products on the whole hair and by the time you're sectioning out it's already dry, depending on the type of hair that you have. So my brother's hair is natural, so it absorbs more products than a chemically processed hair does. So I go in every time to replenish the products that I've already put in it.
I need good news, yeah. I need soul food, yeah. I just wanna. Man, we living in dark times.
And now we're done with the second braid.
Every day debating, but no one's having conversations. The fuck is wrong with this nation? My people losing lives to racists. There's blood all in the water. Supreme Court's on some.
Now we're prepping the final section on the right hand side for braiding.
Ready too, and they killed all my niggas for sport. I'm a young black boy, I got a target on my back. I came up in a cul-de-sac, and I might still get capped like that.
I'm done dealing with attitude. I'm less you're stressed about what I do. Your obsession.
I mean, can you see the hair? Like, it's already coming together. It's already looking so nice, and I love the curves. Just wait till you see the final look at the end of the video.
I hope you focus on you. I'm so complicated, yeah, my light always blocks.
So now we're on the second side of the hair. We're combing all over again.
They'll try to hold me up, to let me down. Obsessive thoughts intrude your mind. Freed myself, unfreed my time. Suppressed to take away what's mine. I know I hurt you, but don't forget I felt the same hurt you caused me to. your anger only comes from fear that I'll be exactly what you said again. Live with your decision. Gave you a chance, shouldn't have tried to play me. Judas to your team, that news got you hazy. Guilt drives them crazy, fuck you, pay me. Give me the loop, bit, I'm loaded, no safety. Treat him like a little nigga is what it is. I'm worth more than the whole fit that he in. Press for a bag, don't press your luck. Obsessed like a grown man who's starstruck. I'm so complicated, yet my light always blocks your shade. I set a higher tone, without you receive more accolades. They'll try to hold me up, to let me down. Obsessive thoughts intrude your mind. Freed myself.
Once he has his hands on his mouth, I already know that yes, it's already paining him so much. So yeah, especially when it's like on the last braid. All through this video, you could see me nudging him, pulling him closer or pushing him further back, depending on how I want his head to be. If you have clients, do not do that to them. I can afford to do this to him because he's my brother. He's not paying me, and yet he owes me so much. Do maybe pay up. Thank you very much. So yeah, but then I don't do this to like clients that actually pay. My brother doesn't pay, just he loves free things.
I'm a higher place. I ain't granted on my life just to get erased. Angry, but I really didn't have no time to waste. I buckled down to work, ended up unbuckling pants. Quarantine feeling like a prison, so you know a nigga needs some visits. I should be repenting, but I've been lonely as fuck. What I really think I need.
And my mom came in at this point to look at what we were doing, and obviously you can see from our faces she said something really funny, and then we had music going on in the background. We're just vibing.
Running rampant, but the racism been happening. This ain't nothing new.
And we're done with the hair, guys. So now we're just styling it, the edges, making sure everything looks clean and proper. I see him looking like a baby boy. That's my handwork there, you guys.
Soul food, yeah. I just wanna smile. I need good news, yeah. I need soul food, yeah. I just wanna. I need good news, yeah. I need soul food, yeah. I just wanna. Man, we living in dark times. No punchlines, just observations. We spend every day debating, but no one's having conversations. The fuck is wrong with this nation? My people losing lives to racists. There's blood all in the.
And that's the finished look, you guys. Thank you so much for staying tuned till the end. Don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment down below, and obviously let me know what style you'd love to see next. Bye, guys.
Like that.